This is the beating heart of Sora inside D.Studio. The moment the page loads, the first thing that catches your eye is the two available models, one labeled Economy, offering excellent quality, high speed, and affordable pricing, and the other labeled Premium, for when you want to truly impress, higher resolution, insane detail, and a real Hollywood-level look. With a single click, you choose one, and everything instantly adjusts based on that model. Now it's time for the details. First, the prompt box. This isn't just text anymore. You're writing a full screenplay. In Persian or English, describe lighting, camera angles, motion, emotion. Whatever you imagine, Sora brings it to life. Next, make sure to connect it to one of your projects so it doesn't get lost later. Choose the duration, tailored exactly for Reels, TikTok, Stories, or ads. Then select the aspect ratio from the available options. One of the key differences between the economy and premium versions shows up here, and also in the final quality and cost. After that, choose the quality level. You can also select an image from your projects, so Sora preserves the same style, the same face, and the same outfit in the video. Throughout the entire process, a large, transparent panel on the right side of the screen shows you live, detailed statistics. Every change updates the numbers instantly, no surprises at all. When you're ready, simply click Generate Video. Wait a few seconds, or at most a few minutes, and you'll have a fully realistic, cinematic video, exactly the way you imagined it in your mind.